You are going to love the 2019 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, power steering, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.